Hello, everybody.
All right, Judge, pardon the interruption. Mr. Dillon is available.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, Mr. Dillon.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm Judge Schultz. I'm doing well, and how are you?
I'm okay. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. Just give me one moment to bring your case up real quick.
Just regarding traffic or?
This is regarding just the municipal court cases, and I believe it is just traffic. Give me 1 second to look.
Okay.
Yes, it looks like it's all traffic. The allegations are no proof of insurance, not having a driver's license, a defective muffler. Those were alleged to have occurred back on September 29th of 2021 in the area of South 14th in Kansas. Then there's also
defective muffler.
It could be, sometimes they code things really weird. Give me 1 second. It could end up being something else. Let me specifically open that charge. Yeah, it says defective muffler, and then it has it says noise written to it, next to it. I'm assuming maybe it was very noisy. Let me just finish with the rest of the charges first.
Okay. Yes,
and then it looks like there was a failure to appear. Looks like you received that February 20th of 2022 in the area of the 2600 block of Merriam Lane. And then the newest allegation is a no proof of, oh no, that one's not you. Never mind. We do not want to confuse you with someone that has the same name that was born in decades earlier. So what were you gonna tell me about the?
I never had a car with a noisy muffler. I know that I have no insurance. I know I was stopped by Highway Patrol. I know that one's me, but in the Merriam Lane. But that's not. That sounds like my brother.
So this was South 14th Street in Kansas Avenue, not Merriam Lane, and it looks like it was some sort of a scooter or motorcycle. The handwriting's kind of hard to read on this ticket. I'm sorry. I wish I could be.
I never had a scooter or motorcycle.
Okay, so it sounds like we need to set this for some sort of an identity hearing. Give me 1 moment. I want to look something up.
I think someone's used my ID and my social is what it sounds like to me.
That could be what happened, but why am I not able to find you in the jail system? Obviously, you're sitting there. Give me 1 moment while I try to, am I spelling it wrong? Okay. What is your first name?
Brandon.
Okay, yep. So this has got to be somebody else. Give me. I do not want you to tell me your date of birth because this is live streamed, but I'm gonna give you a year of birth, and I just want you to say yes or no, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
1992?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yep, so you are a different person than this person. Okay, so we will make sure that this gets unassociated from you, and you don't have anything. Let me double check and make sure.
I do have someone from Highway Patrol. I know that.
Well, Highway Patrol is different.
Okay.
This would be KCK. Give me 1 second to run it this way and just double check. Yeah, you don't have anything with us.
No, ma'am.
We're gonna make sure that this gets unassociated from you, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you for your patience when I was trying to work through that.
No, thank you.
Okay, Judge, what do I do on that one, on the one before?
Give me one. I'm taking some notes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not even as an alias for him. I don't even know how they thought that that was him. If you look in Blue Horse, because I really feel strongly about not saying his date of birth since this is live streamed. But if you
Okay,
look,
let me
the
look
date
at
of
that.
birth in Blue Horse and the information in Blue Horse is very different than this person's ticket.
But how did they know to bring him down if
I
he's not?
Not know how in the heck they got those two associated. And so this is actually going to be a very good day for this Forrest Dillon person, because in an abundance of caution, we're just going to dismiss it because I don't want this to get associated again with Brandon Dillon. And I'm going to put a note to that effect. And feel free to object. And if you want, I can put it over the city's objection.
The city does not object, Your Honor.
Okay, okay.
What did he say his name was?
His name is Brandon Dillon.
Brandon.
I don't know how these two got associated at all.
Yeah, because even in the alias, I don't see anything.
Right, that's what, because sometimes we get
He's a-
people and there are lists of aliases. And I'm like, okay, this is, you gave a false name. I'm confident we can leave it to at least go to an identity hearing, but this, not even remotely close.
So the person on the picture doesn't look like the person that was just down here, though. Do you
The
think?
one I'm looking at does.
Because I thought he had a tattoo more on his face than
He had one on his face.
what that shows. I mean, I thought it was bigger than the one that shows in the picture.
I don't know.
And it was only 7 days ago.
It looked the same to me.
Okay.
It was underneath that same eye.
But I thought it was bigger.
Oh, well, I don't know. These pictures are really small. I wish there was a way to easily make them bigger.
Your Honor, there
And I
is. Click
didn't-
on the picture.
Well,
Go to the
yeah,
snapshot.
I clicked on
Go
the
to the
picture,
snap-
but I thought it was bigger than that.
Okay,
And I
Your
didn't
Honor,
remember
that's-
the ones above his eyebrows. Did he have ones above his eyebrows?
Where are you seeing? I don't
What are
see
you
any
looking
eyebrow
at?
tattoos.
I'm I'm in Blue Horse. And I'm looking at the Forrest Dillon, which
Can you
that's
guys
the
hear me?
person. Yes.
Okay.
Which that's the
So-
person that they brought down was Forrest Dillon. And on the
No.
picture,
They
well,
brought down
no.
Brandon Dillon.
They brought down Brandon Dillon.
so why didn't they bring down Forrest Dillon when he's in jail?
I don't see Forrest Dillon in jail. I tried looking him up.
I pulled it up right here. It says Forrest Charles Dillon. He's in jail.
He is, it looks like they sent him away. He's farmed out.
So he's in
They farmed
jail.
him out as of this morning. And
Okay.
these are not the same people.
Mm-mm.
But still, just because they did bring Brandon down, it's Forrest's lucky day. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 charges pending in district court, including aggravated burglary, aggravated domestic battery, criminal damage, criminal restraint, and criminal threat. So I think we're okay with dismissing a traffic ticket. But yes, I think that's what happened is they sent him today to Lynn County. And then brought down Brandon instead. I'm guessing they're brothers because they do look alike. And looking at Forrest, I can see the tattoos over the eyebrows now.
Yeah.
If you look at Brandon, that is definitely the person we saw.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to send this over stating that those cases are dismissed
Yes.
underneath the Forrest Dillon,
Yep,
not Brandon. Okay.
right. I don't know why they gave us Brandon, but you know what? It is what it is.
Okay.
All right, Derek White.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, turn your camera on. Mr. White,
Yes,
yeah,
Your Honor.
do-rag on your head, or is that a religious purpose?
Oh, it's the do-rag. I can take it off, Your Honor.
Yes, you can. Why you need more time, sir? I already gave you an adjournment from April to get stuff together. What's going on?
Ran into another couple complications. Life been lifing lately, so just
I be
rolling.
lifing for me too. And guess what I gotta do?
Yeah, pay bills. Yep.
Yep. Just like you. Ain't nothing different. And life be life for me hard too. Because the more money, more problems.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna give you one more pre-trial, and that's it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. October 16th.
October
16th. So that gives you some more time. Try and get stuff in order. I know life is a lot. I get it. Okay. So you got to try and figure it out. And if not, next time we got to figure out a different way to go. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. All right. So we'll see you on October 16th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you then. Okay, sir. Bonds continued at $0.
Okay.
And then try and work diligently on these things. Did you talk to the attorney? He gave you some more tips about what you can do?
Yeah, he told me what I needed to do, and I'm gonna start that tomorrow.
Okay, cool. All right, get on it. I know it's hard. You can do it. I believe in you. Otherwise, I would have made you plead today.
Right.
All right. All right, you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Roisha Waller. She better be happy. Saved by the bell.
Yes.
All right, have a seat for me, ma'am. Miss Waller, you ain't got nothing on your shoulders? This court.
Oh,
Throw
I
on
got
something real quick
it.
for me, please.
Yeah.
Hot. I melt too, so I understand. All right, now calling the people versus Roisha Waller. This is ticket SP 1473211. This is one count of consuming alcohol in public. She pled back on May 13th of 2024 to a 3-month delayed sentence. Can I have your appearance for the record, Ms. Waller, please?
Yes.
Say your name for me.
Raisha Waller.
I'm sorry. When I say your appearance, you be like, yes, I'm here. I'm sorry. Ms. Waller, it's my understanding that you have paid the $200 today. So the court is going to dismiss this matter under a 3-month delayed sentence for you having complied with the terms and conditions. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have we learned an important lesson?
Yes.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Waller. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Jawan Walton.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jawan Walton. This is U ticket 673-10623. This is one count of the violation of the Narcotics Code City. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you, sir, state your name?
Say your name, Mr. Walton.
Jawan Walton.
All right.
Judge, my client wants to resolve this here and now. He's going to plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation. He understands that what a delayed sentence is, and he's ready to give a factual basis today.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of August 22nd of 2023. Were you in the area in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were in that area, did you have in your possession suspected narcotics, sir? Did you have in your possession narcotics, sir?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well. I want to enter the plea of 1 count violation of the narcotics code. Why you have these drugs in your possession, sir? I need a SOS one too when you get a chance.
I was using. I was using drugs.
That's what I thought. It's such a small amount. That's why. Are you getting some type of help? What are you doing for yourself? Or are you not ready to get help?
I'm on probation right now through Macomb County. So I definitely got help trying to find a job right now. I have an interview for tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Okay. All right. So they're forcing you to get the help that you need. Are you taking advantage of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. You got to take advantage of this help and stuff like that. So we're going to put you on a 90-day delayed sentence. I'm going to give you a nominal fine, but I'm going to give you a fine because I want to make sure you pay us $100 in 90 days, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have to keep with that probation and stuff like that. See, if you abscond from them and they find out you got this case open, they're going to come on to mine and try and get you together, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So take care of your business, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So 90 days from now is going to be November 13th. November 13th. November 13th, 8:45 a.m. I do want you to check back in that day so I can make sure that you're good and you don't have any new cases in Detroit, at least for this type of matter, okay?
Yes.
All right. All right. We'll see you then. $100 fine, 90-day delayed sentence, dismissal as long as you pay my fine and you don't have a new ticket like this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.